Okay, I just did an oil change on my 2013 Chevy Tahoe, and that oil drain plug is a size 15 millimeter socket. On the other side of that drain plug is a oil filter, which I went ahead and went with Mobil 1 oil filter, Mobil 1 oil, high mileage synthetic Mobil 1 10W30. Now we're gonna be resetting the oil life. Let me see. We're just gonna put the ignition forward without starting the truck. Now, let's see. Change engine oil soon. So we're gonna go over here to these buttons. We're gonna go down to this second button here. And we're gonna get down to where, there it goes, your engine oil life. We're gonna get down to there. Then we're gonna go down to this last button where the check mark is. And we will be hitting that check mark button right where it has your oil life. There it goes, 100% oil life. So what I did was I went down to the second button. I clicked it until my dashboard read the engine oil life. Once I got to that engine oil life indicator, we go down to this check mark and we hold it down, and as you saw, the engine oil life went from 0% to 100%, and that's how you change your engine oil life on a 2013 Chevy Tahoe.